Can you show our audience, yeah, that tile, and then kind of anything special or cool about it that you want to touch upon?
Okay, most people don't get to see the back, so this is the back of the unit. Unique thing about this is that it has magnets, so it kind of snaps in place when you hold it in front of the cabinets. And this is one individual tile. It's glue-on board, so it has the epoxy resin coating on top of the LED beads, which protects it. So really, you can scratch it, you could bump into it. It's quite durable. So in any public setting where you've got a lot of people around the display, this will definitely protect it. So yeah, that's really what's unique. It's IP rated, IP54, so that's the ingress protection rating. So it is not waterproof, but it is splash proof, and then it's also dust proof. So for example, something like the LDS, it's not necessarily designed for outdoor use, but if you have an outdoor event for a few hours, you're perfectly fine taking it out, albeit weather permitting. So yeah, that's one of the key improvements we've made over time to make it this glue on board.